If you are drawing walls in Dibac, you need to specify a thickness beforehand. This thickness is selected in the Properties bar. Dibac has a few preset thicknesses for the partitions and walls with a default value. However, these values can be seen and easily changed in the Preferences window. For this, you need to go to Tools, Preferences, and select the Partitions tab. In this window, you can see the name assigned to each thickness and its respective value. If I want to modify the name or the value of a thickness, I just need to rename it. I type, for instance, 1 foot, and I can input a new value, for example 0.3. I can do it also with this one. We'll name it partition, and we'll change its value to 0.13. Now I just have to click on Apply and then OK. As you can see, the thickness bar has been updated and I can draw the walls with the new thicknesses. So I click on 1 foot, select the wall tool and start drawing from this corner. The thickness of this wall is already 0.30 as established before. I'm going to change the thickness of the partition. So I select the thickness bar, select partition, click on the wall tool again, and start drawing from this corner. These walls are thinner and have a value of 0.13 as established in the Preferences window.